Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Topstep X to Tradingview. Now what I want you to do first is actually go ahead and come here at the top right, click on this icon to open up your settings, and then from here I want you to click on add-ons, and we're going to enable a Tradingview access. So come here, click on activate, and by the way, we are going to be connecting using Tradivate. So this is a combine. So here, once the add-on has been activated, what you do is you come here to TradingView, and then what I need you to do is just come to the top right, click on this icon, and then here, just click on any stock symbol, let's say Apple. We'll come ahead and click on this icon. And now this opens up. Click here on full chart, and I want you to just go ahead and click here on the trading panel to open that up. Just scroll down here, click on show all brokers, and what I need you to do is click on Tradivate. So you log in with your Topstep X username and password right here under Tradivate. Once this has been enabled here, just go ahead and log in, click on connect, and that is how to connect Topstep X to TradingView. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to guide our content.